Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video today we are going to review and I'm going to tell you all about Yayoge's 13-piece set of Polygel. Okay, this is the starting set for beginners. You pretty much have everything here that you need to extend your nails. Now I'm going to talk about what it includes, how it will work with your extensions, whether it's really feasible to work with, the colors of the polygels, the lamps, everything that's included, the sizes of the containers, etc. So let's begin. So I have separated the items to show you here, and the first two that I'm starting out with here is the base coat and top coat. Okay, so two containers in gels. So for the base, that you do need a gel base to start out with your polygel, and then you finish it with your clear glossy top coat. This one is a glossy top coat. These bottles are 10 ml each, and now I will tell you, these are plastic. Okay, so very light weighted. So you will want to make it good to work with, you will want to probably keep them wedged, on something that will keep you from spilling or tipping the bottle. These are very light, so yeah, you will want to, they will tip over easy. That was the base coat, and here's the top coat. Oh, this one has very good consistency, so pretty good viscosity there. And I notice on the base coat it's very light or very thin. It's a thin formula. Also, I did check, these are very low in odor, so they're almost odorless, guys. I barely smell anything coming out of these bottles. Moving on to the slip solution that is included in this set. This is a 45 ml bottle, so it doesn't have it in ounces, but 45 ml slip solution here, and this is how it opens. So as you can see, there's the opening right there, and it's up to you. I mean, many times plain alcohol or isopropyl alcohol is recommended, or maybe it works best depending on the polygel. I will give this one a try with their own polygel and see how it works with the ones that came with it. As far as tools to work with, these are the 3 brushes that are included. So they're not what we are used to seeing for working with polygel, where you normally have the bristles or brushes on one end, and then at the other end you have the spatula. There's no spatula included in this set. You have the 3 brushes, possibly one for each color. So that's good. It's not really necessary to have an individual brushes for different colors, but this will keep you from having to do such a thorough cleaning in between the colors. So I will go ahead and test these out and see how they work. However, I will have to use something else for a spatula. Now I will say that also this is one kit out of several that they do have, with several variations of the tools of what it's included in the kit. So this is the kit that this one is the 13-piece with these items that I'm showing you, and this one is priced for around $25, but I do have a 10% discount that I will have down in the description bar below for you guys. Also included, it's a 180 grit file that you will need. This is good. You can use it for prepping your nails. It might be a little too rough for prepping, removing the shine off your nails, but definitely good for filing the product itself once, so you can shape your nails. I forgot to include, I was talking about the tools, is this cuticle pusher and remover. This metal piece, it was included there as well. This is something that you will use on preparation. We also have dual forms, guys. Let me go ahead and show you these dual forms. These are size 0 through 9. Okay, so let me show you how they come here in this package. Okay, so here are the dual forms right here, and I'm going to grab the largest one, so to show you the largest one is number 0, to show you what they look like. I'm not going to use these today for a demonstration. Today's video is not going to be so much a demonstration on how to use polygel, but more about telling you about this kit, what to expect and what's included, how these items or these products will work if you purchase it. And so yeah, here's the form right here. They are numbered. I don't know that you can see that right there, but yes, they are numbered. This one is a number 0. So this one, as you can see, there's the number right there. So it's a smooth dual form. It's not like the others that have the lines letting you know, so you can choose, the size or how much product to put in there, and depending on the length of the nail that you want to build. But this is what the forms look like, okay? And they do have where you will, the two little sections here for you to pinch it off of the nail. And I believe I've used these before from another brand. I do like them. I just generally do not like to use dual forms at all. No matter what type of dual forms they are, I just don't like to use them at all. I've mainly just used Polygel as an overlay over my natural nails. You get 3 different color polygels. You have the natural clear, and we will see how clear this is. It says natural clear, so we don't know how transparent it will actually be. Transparent pink, so that's probably more like a natural pink. And then you have, it says white, and it says, yeah, that's all it says, white builder gel. Now let's go ahead. Okay, and you can see how they are sealed. So they are sealed. I will have to pull that out to do the swatches, and these containers are 30 mls each for each one of these 3 containers. And you can see how, let me go ahead and show you the back. You have here poly builder gel, an all-in-one formula to help perfect working consistency. No monomer, not mixing. It's just telling you about the product. LED in it, so it cures under LED and UV. That's good to know too. So it will cure, if you have a UV on LED lamp, it will cure this product. Okay, and last but not least, they conveniently have included a mini lamp, or what I call a nano lamp here, the Sun Mini UV LED lamp. And this one, guys, here is super cute. I love these size lamps. They're so nice for traveling. Okay, so you have your user manual here. Okay. Now, and this connects this, so this is a USB cord. This will have to be connected to an adapter. I keep my laptop right there. Usually for demonstrations, plug this into the laptop on the USB, and then this is the end that goes to the lamp. I will tell you, from having used these nano lamps before, they do work. They're really good. I took mine to when I traveled to Asia, and this is what I use with my regular polish, or I will say gel polish, okay? Not regular polish, but gel polish, and it cures nicely. However, I will not say that this is an ideal lamp to use with polygels. Now, at least this one, I'll have to see the transparency, how opaque this white and pink are here. But I will test it, but I truly, yeah, if you are traveling, I guess it will probably be okay, but you will definitely, because this will cure. So this has a setting, that's where your plug goes here. It has a setting of the first time you press, see which way it goes, it will go like this. And the first time you press this button, it defaults to 45 seconds, the second time 90 seconds, which is a minute and a half. I will put this through 2 sets of 90 seconds each to attempt to cure that polygel. And this is what the bottom looks like. It has the 2 legs, with these 6 LED, and it's a 6-watt lamp, okay? So yeah, I will try this and see how it works with this, but I would recommend, if you already have a higher wattage LED UV lamp to use for the product on any builder gel, any build-up product, I will definitely recommend to use that instead. Now, for the purpose of the review, I'm going to go ahead and do swatches of all 3 colors, so we'll know what they look like. And I am going to use these products, such as I'm going to use the brushes and see how they perform with these products, and top coat, the slip solution, and of course the lamp. But I'm only going to use one of the polygels to do all that testing, but then the other 2 I will have swatches for. So I will go ahead and leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this pop stick right here that I have. I know I have this very pretty glitter swatch here, but what I'm going to do, I want to use the white one to the swatch over this. And I might not even, since I have a swatch stick, let's see how, if I can just do this without a spatula. That might work. Okay, and I have here in this container some slip solution. Okay, let's put this a little bit under the lamp here and let's see how long it takes to cure. Let's put it for, that's 45 seconds. That would be 90 seconds. Guys, so after the first 90 seconds, let's try to poke this and see what happens. And no, it's not 100% cured. There, I can remove some of the product. That's not all the way through. Let's try another 90 seconds with this lamp. Okay, now let's try it on another area here. And I can still scratch it. Sorry guys. I can still scratch the surface. I'm gonna try another 90 minutes, guys, and if it's doing this again, then I'm gonna go under my regular lamp. Okay, I got it out, guys, and so this is better. Although I think this has, yeah, it has a bit of a tacky layer there, which is what I'm scratching here. I'm gonna still put it under my regular lamp and try to do this and see. See if I see a difference between the two types of cures, okay? This is out of my 48 watt LED UV lamp, and let's see. Yeah, so it still does the same. That's that inhibition layer. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see, but now it's cured. I cannot dent it like I did here. Oh, God, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but like I said, if you use this lamp, I will recommend not less than a 3-minute cure using this nano lamp, okay? So that was my test with the lamp, this white polygel and the slip solution. I like the slip solution. It worked well with this. It didn't give, but you do have to, you wet your brush and then you get rid of the excess on a paper towel. And I like working with this brush. So yes, I give those a thumbs up. Now let me go ahead and do swatches for you on the other colors so we can get to see what those look like. Hey guys, so here are my 3 swatches right here, and this is finished with their top coat. Very glossy top coat. I did like the top coat. Now take a look at so the clear. Okay, that's a true clear, guys. Look at it. Yeah, don't pay attention to my lumps and bumps in there, but let me go ahead and pull. So I have on my hand, this is a transparent tip with nothing on it. Okay, there it is. This is the transparent tip with the clear polygel on it. And what might appear to be more of a fogginess to it, is that right? If it appears to be slightly foggy, that's because there's lumps and bumps in there. Because, I don't know if you can tell. Let's see if I can do something. See that? Okay, so my application was not perfect, but I am happy to use this as a true clear, and I will recommend it as a true clear polygel. I do like that. It was pretty easy. As far as the viscosity on all 3 colors, it seemed the same. It's very similar. Okay, now the pink, again, oh, it's a very pretty pink. I do like this. Now, what is it called? The natural, well, transparent pink. Yes, it is transparent. It has some transparency to it, as you can see. My personal challenge with colored polygel or builder gel, guys, is being consistent on the application when it comes to the opacity. See how it's more transparent here than here? Yeah, that's a personal challenge of mine that I found that out the first time I used color builder gel. But yeah, here it is, very pretty pink. And then the white, it's also a true white, guys. It's not transparent white. Again, with this, I don't know if you can see there. I'm trying to get something dark. So it's somewhat it's got somewhat of a transparency on this spot right here. And that's my application, okay? But this is a true solid white. And so with it being a solid color, these polygel like this will, you know, give it a good 60 seconds to cure on a minimum 48 or 36 watt lamp. But yeah, and this again, this is finished with their top coat. So these are the three colors, very pretty. I do recommend these. I did like the viscosity on them. I did like how they worked with their own slip solution, and no gradiness, no fogginess whatsoever. Colors right here. As far as the brushes, let me show you. So I was initially I was happy with how it was working, but see how it got fried right there. You can tell with time, you know, after using it, it was okay initially, but you see what happened to the bristles, and this made it really hard to work against the cuticle. Okay, here's a better look. This made it hard to work against the cuticle by the time those bristles got like that. Let's see, and this one. So yeah, can't say that these are the best brushes. And then you saw me not even attempting to use a spatula, but yes, your cuticle pusher will be a good substitute for a spatula. But there you guys have it. That is my review on this starting set. It's a good set for beginners, and you have good products here. I mean, you have some ups and downs here with everything that is included here, and then what you may not use, like for example the mini lamp. If you may end up not using it to cure these polygels, you can certainly use it to cure your gel polish. If you guys have any questions in the process on application of correct application for polygel, I do have other videos available now, and I will link them down below for reference. Any questions about these products here, this set from Yayoge, feel free to leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Yayoge for sending me this beautiful set to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.